I want to show you a couple tricks how to make this top perfect. First, let's avoid those chains like a starting chain. If you want to avoid this, I will show you. There are few ways to avoid this, but my favorite would be stacking single crochets. So you do first single crochet, and then you do one more single crochet, picking only this one bar. And this is your first single crochet, and then you will be making a slip stitch connecting the round under those two loops, and this looks pretty awesome. Another trick how to make double crochet another way, if you check out those double crochets and these double crochets, even this first round I might just ordinary double crochet, and then I thought that how to make it even better, and this is another way, and I will show you a little trick how to make your double crochets even better, I mean fatter. Okay, let's have a look. Let me just get a bit more yarn. There you go. So you don't go under 2, you go 1 and then 2. You could go with half double crochet, but I didn't want to go with half double crochet. I wanted to go with double crochet that my stitches are larger, taller, and this is the way, I don't know, maybe it is the name for this, but I've discovered this for myself and I just share this with you. I hope you will enjoy this little trick how to make your double crochets even fatter. Hope you will like my little tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press notification button. I've got some more ideas, and this top free pattern is coming out very soon, so don't miss out. It's very nice summer top I'm making, and I'm making tutorial as we speak because I'm nearly done. It will not be a massive top. I've got just one ball. I will try to fit this in one ball of yarn. So let's see how it goes.